problem was that when we came back to school, William was home learning, so we had to use design thinking to solve the problem.
Empathize. How did we feel when we were home learning?
While I'm learning, I felt very bored and sad I didn't get to play with any of my friends and I didn't understand anything.
Define, understand the problem.
You are wondering how to share our learning with William at home.
I can't wait to learn about fairy tales.
I did to brainstorm ideas.
We thought of new ways to send our learning to William. Our best idea was to send a story about fairy tales.
We use make a sound file to share our learning with William. Our prototypes. I use Shaper or Walker to create designs.
This is my prototype. It was not on the base, so it was crazy. These are too big. These are too small. Just right.
We got feedback from our friends to improve our designs. Just go to basic shapes, get that ring, and then put it on top of the A, but make sure that the ring is connected to the A, otherwise it won't print.
We got inspired.
We made gifts for Father's Day. This one I made and this one Arvin made. Arvin got inspired and then he bought this design that's for mine. How I made this shape, I went to flat, I pressed a triangle and then I resized it and then I went to a rectangle and then I made a hole with it.
Test our design.
Design didn't work, so I tried another and another.
My first design didn't work and I did it again. Only at last I could do it.
Our challenges.
I felt challenging with Makers and Pot. With Makers and Pot, I tried to put stuff together and the first time I used it, but now I'm really good at it and it's very hard. Just keep practicing.
Our designs took a long time to print. Sometimes we couldn't change our designs because we didn't have the new
One S presents our fairy tale wonderland.
Fairy tales have
Settings, characters,
and props. Fairy tales have characters. I'm the big bad wolf.
I'm the first little pig.
I'm the second little pig. I'm the third little pig. Fairy tales have beginnings. Once upon a time there lived a princess with her pet unicorn.
Hello.
In a castle. But fairy tales have events.
Who is that tip-tapping on my bridge? No, you can't. I'll eat you for my dinner.
Please, you can wait for my other brother. He's much delicious than me.
Okay, be careful.
Fairy tales have endings, and they all lived happily ever after. These are all 1S's designs.